Fly too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously I fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck, that shine like a chain. Now that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here. As you can see, no lighting. Maybe you like this light a bit more. It's more real. And I'll be showing you my two trades that I took today on the CPI. Last night I said I shouldn't have made any trades. After the CPI actually came out, I decided it might be at a zone where I could take a trade. I took a buy and a sell. Both turned out to be wrong, but the sell would have caught me a better move if I had a better stop loss. I haven't analyzed it yet, so we'll actually go through that together. So you can see not my usual. I usually enter on the 1 hour, 1 hour closer to when the market opens. But I actually entered after this news because sometimes those news catalysts, they really damage me, you know. So Tuesday. Wow. Looking at this, if I had focused and entered on the opening candle, I still would have been clean in profits until now. If I'd entered on the opening candle and got that sell, we would have been clean until now. So perhaps you should not be paying too much attention to that and just employ your strategy regardless of what's going on. So you can see that the day is still forming, the day is still going. It's actually just 2:58, so it's not like the day is over. The day is about to be over, but I'll still show you the trades regardless. So this opening one, I took this on the 15 candle, and this was a buy side trade. So I think this was, which one was the 15? This one. So 15 candle actually reflects as the 8 a.m. candle on the Eastern Standard Time. So at 17,595.94. That was my entry to the upside, right? They actually got stopped out on the next one at 17,576.2. So this was my stop. Essentially, what's happening here? 17,595.94, right? And then my stop loss was 17,576.2. Where my stop loss was, you can see I entered here, trying to take it to the upside, thinking we would have gotten a reversal from there. The next candle took me out, which is the 16 candle, and that perfectly matches what you see here. So that's on the 16 candle. I took a $13 loss. And then the next one. So this is where the market can kind of go against you, but you're still right on the direction. It's just having a little retracement before it starts to push down. So on this one now, I decided to go bearish. So I'm thinking, all right, the market might continue bearish. I probably should have looked for it to go above my zone before taking a sell, but this is what happened. So I entered at 17,593.99. I got stopped out at 17,614.93. You can see I got stopped out pretty quickly. I got stopped out on the same candle that I entered on. I entered here and actually got stopped out here. And honestly, this wouldn't have been a great trade for me, because if I had entered there, for me to get the move to the downside, I would have probably had, you can see, a 1 to 0.53 risk reward, which is not something I like. Like, that's risking, I'm risking too much to make some money there. Risk to reward ratio. Is that? See what it's saying. So I'm wondering if you have a negative risk to reward, but this is our, I think once it goes past the 1-to-1, that's a negative risk reward. I just kind of picked that up now, but This one was a loss of 31.41. So it's a perfect example of I should have done two things. Either of these two things would have benefited me. What would have benefited me today? If I had traded my strategy vanilla, it would have worked. It would work. Or if I had simply not traded, I would have been better off today. So I took basically about a $45 loss. And that's it for today. I'm not making any more trades on the day. As you can see, the market looks like it's kind of tanking, or this might be where we can actually frame for a reversal. So let's see what happens. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. I'm out still burst, huh? Bye-bye.